seriously. You've seen it, a straight 10 walking in, and the guy with her, he's average at best, but she's into him, laughing, touching his arm, glowing. How? You think it's money? Clout? Nah, it goes deeper than that. Wanna know the truth? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to attract women, no matter what you look like. Let's rewind the clock, way back, caveman times. Back then, it wasn't about abs or aesthetics, it was about survival. When a woman got pregnant, she became vulnerable, couldn't hunt, couldn't protect herself. She needed someone who could guard the cave, bring the food, and lead the tribe. So guess what her brain started scanning for? Not beauty, not biceps, but traits, loyalty, strength, intelligence, presence. The kind of guy who wouldn't run at the first sign of danger. Now here's the part most guys never realize, that ancient software. It's still running in her head, even today, underneath the TikTok filters and red flags memes. Her instincts are still scanning. Will he protect me emotionally? Can he lead? Or will he fold? Is he someone others respect? It's not her fault. It's just evolution. Now let's talk brains. When a guy sees a hot girl, his brain fires off dopamine in under 150 milliseconds. That's faster than you can blink. Boom, she's hot, we're hooked. It's automatic, visual, biological. But when a girl sees a guy, no dopamine spike, no love at first sight. Her brain analyzes, observes. She's looking for behavioral patterns. And this right here is why average-looking dudes can win if they know how to show the right signals. Let's name names. Pete Davidson. Not a model, but girls go crazy over him. Why? Presence, humor, mystery, confidence. Napoleon. Short, but had women writing poems about him. Socrates. Einstein. Dudes who weren't even trying, still had groupies. These men knew something. Attraction isn't instant, it's built, it's like a puzzle. Each piece is a behavior, a reaction, a vibe. Here's how it works. You make her laugh, one puzzle piece. You stay grounded when she tests you, another. You show quiet confidence, boom, another. You don't chase. You don't fold. You make her feel safe, seen, and slightly challenged. Now the puzzle is coming together. At first she's like, wow, he's kind of different. Then, why am I thinking about him at 2 a.m.? That's the flip. That's when she locks in. And you didn't need abs or fame, just the right energy. Here is the mistake most guys make. They try to prove their value right away. Big flexes, flashy cars, over-complimenting. But that kills the mystery. Women fall for stories, not stats. They want to discover you, not be sold to. The guys who win, they are unbothered, detached. They are not trying to impress her. They are busy building their world, and she is intrigued by that. So how do you tap into this? 1. Detach from validation. Every time you try to win her over, your value drops. Let her be curious about you. Let her earn your story. 2. Master your presence. Not your outfit, not your line, your energy. When you walk in, do you feel calm or needy? 3. Embrace polarity. Be masculine, still, decisive, warm but not soft. Lead but don't control. Protect but don't pander. Desire her but don't need her. That tension, that's what lights her up. attraction isn't visual, it's neurological. It's built over time, through subtle emotional cues. She builds it like a story, and if you play it right, you become her main character. And if you are wondering right now, wait, does this mean I can actually get a girl, even if I am not good looking? Let me say it clearly. Yes, if you master your presence, your vibe, and your puzzle pieces, you win. Not because you are pretending, not because you are tricking her, but because you understand what truly turns her on. Security, leadership, mystery, and depth. So stop chasing validation. Stop thinking you are not enough. Because if you are showing the right traits, at the right time, with the right energy, you will flip her script, and she will go from "He's just okay" to "I can't stop thinking about him." It was never about your face, bro. It was always about your aura. This is Zorksen, helping you play the game the way it was meant to be played. Don't chase her. Become him.